So I've just been watching one of our members' first ever YouTube adverts, and he's one of the youngsters. He's only 23. He's come in, he's joined this online community that we keep banging on about coming in and learning new online skills so you can start a business that you're passionate about. And he's produced his first YouTube advert, and honestly, it's absolutely stunning. He's learned all the skills, he's set up his website, he's got his automation of his emails set up, he's got his funnel sorted, he's just done his YouTube, and he's about to launch it live into a campaign to start getting members of his own. And honestly, it is truly fantastic. Now, his life is all about living a life of freedom. He wants to be a mountaineering, out in nature, doing whatever he likes to do, other than being tied to a 9 to 5 job. And that's what his whole business is around. I mean, everything here, it's up the mountains, going across, doing fishing, it's canoeing, it's everything that he loves. And that's what he's so passionate about. And he's building a business around what he loves, so that when he wakes up in the mornings, it's something that he really loves to get involved with. And it's all testament to him. He's put the hard work in, and now he's about to go live. And this is where the rubber hits the road, and he starts to get his online business really moving along now. And it's just brilliant to witness.